Hello friends, I welcome you all to this class. This is mathematics class, and today we are here to study this topic, differentiation using the quotient rule. So for you to use the quotient rule to find the derivative of a function, you must have a function of this form: y is equal to u of x divided by v of x. So you have a quotient function. You have numerator, you have denominator, and u is a function of x and v is what? A function of x. Y is equal to u divided by what? V. And you want to find the derivative of y with respect to x. Then you are going to use the quotient rule, which says that the derivative of y with respect to x will be, you are going to keep what? You keep v, then you differentiate u with respect to what? X. Then you are going to put the negative sign, that's minus. Then this time around you are going to keep what? The numerator. You keep the numerator u. You differentiate what? The denominator v with respect to x. Then all divided by the denominator raised to power what? 2. So this was the quotient rule says. And we are going to use the knowledge of quotient rule to find the derivative of this function y is equals to sine x divided by 1 minus cos x. So we want to find the derivative of y with respect to x. So our v denominator is our v. Our u is what? The numerator, right? Numerator is your u. Then v is what? The denominator. The formula says you are going to differentiate what? The numerator, keeping what? The denominator. So u is sine x. If you differentiate sine x, you are going to get what? Cosine, positive cosine. Derivative of sine is positive cosine. I'm keeping what? I'm keeping the denominator. So I will say denominator is 1 minus cos x multiplying derivative of u with respect to x. Differentiating this will give us cosine of what? X, right? Then we are going to put what? Minus. What do you do this time around? This time around you differentiate what? You differentiate the denominator v. Differentiate the denominator. You keep what? The numerator. I'm keeping sine x, then I'm differentiating what? This. If you differentiate 1, you get what? 0. Because 1 is a constant. If you differentiate negative cosine, you are going to get what? Positive sine. So I have positive sine x. All divided by what? Denominator raised to power 2. That's v raised to power 2. That's 1 minus cos x raised to power what? 2. Then you are going to simplify further. I can open this bracket. 1 multiply cos x, I have what? Cos x. Then minus cos x multiply cos x will give us cos squared x. Then minus sin x multiply sin x will give us sin squared x. All divided by what? 1 minus cos x all raised to power what? 2. Simplifying further, we are going to have what? Cos x minus open bracket cos squared x plus sin squared x all divided by 1 minus cos x all raised to power what? 2. What I did here, I factored out minus. Minus is common here. I factored out minus from these two terms. So let's continue up there. So this will be equal, this implies that derivative of y with respect to x will be equal to, so let's see what we have here. We have cos x minus, but you know that cos squared theta plus sin squared theta is 1 from trigonometric identity. So cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Then we'll have negative here. So we'll have negative 1. All divided by 1 minus cos x all raised to power what? 2. But this numerator, I can factor out minus from the numerator. So that if I factor out minus, I have minus on open bracket 1 minus cos x. Then divided by 1 minus cos x all raised to power what? 2. You can cancel something here. You can cancel power 2, remaining power 1. So that this will be equal to minus 1 over 1 minus cos x. So this This gives us the derivative of this function with respect to x. So see you in our upcoming class. In our upcoming class, we'll be solving more examples on this quotient rule of differentiation.